Alright guys, Kevin the Toy Smuggler here, and we're on unboxing number 2. Last week, I know you guys caught me doing the untrunking with, ta-da! Yes, the vintage Death Star playset. And I already got some things working in the mix with this. Oh my gosh, I didn't even think about getting it out. Hold on one second. Should have had this all laid out, but right here, courtesy of Toy Ploy Dave, printed off, man. It turned out perfect. Got it safe in this plastic. Still got a lot of restoration to do on this piece. But guys, make sure you go to Toy Ploy's website. And $2, man, you can't beat it. To send it to your print shop, man, it is amazing. And I done set it on top of it once. Man, total difference. And while I was at the print shop, I went ahead and made me some new the wall panel cardboard thing. So went and did it, knocked that out. I was already had some stuff to work at the print shop for Santiago and stuff and Dave. So just did it all one-stop shopping. But back to the unboxing. Alright, 1980 guys. This is 1 month prior to Empire Strikes Back. Another sci-fi movie come out. I'm not going to say the movie yet. And like I said, this is from Transporters. Awesome little retro store. If anybody's ever heard of 5 Points down in Atlanta. And amazing little store. Love it, man. I drive all the way from Dalton and go down there and check them out. That's how much I like them. Really nice guys. And the owner, actually, the funny thing was, well, I'm going to tell you the story while I'm cutting this open, is I was down there about 2.5 weeks before that, and it was sitting there. And I was really wanting it. But I was in a bad mood, nasty rainy weather. My little girl was not behaving. So it's just, I didn't go in the store in the right frame of mind, if you know what I mean. So I went in there and looked around. I still bought some stuff. And sure enough, I ended up just passing it up. Well, anyway, I regretted it. Oh gosh, I just beat myself up like crazy. Well, anyway, boom, 2.5 weeks later, I called the owner and said, hey, I got to have it. And boom, next thing you know, it's in the mail. But he's got a letter for us. That's Transporters, guys. 5 Points, Atlanta, Georgia. Let's see what the letter has to say here. Ah. Let's see. Is it a letter or is it photographs here? Ah. Photographs. Oh, of the Transporters Vintage Retro Store. Oh, look, bookmarks. Oh, no, these are stickers. Check that out. I didn't know they had these. Very, very neat. Oh, like a hot air balloon. That almost like the Great Garland. Almost what that looked like. But awesome. Very, very cool. Oh, that is a photo. Very nice. Thank you, guys. I mean, this is cool. I'm going to stick one of these on my computer. Very awesome. Thank you, guys. All right, now, what we all been waiting for. I was so nervous. I hate getting things in the mail. Boy, they got this wrapped up really good. Because luckily, at least from when the mail, my packages get to Dalton, I know the mailman. I've gotten to get to know your mailman. That way, you make sure your packages don't get tossed 20 feet. I know I just got done watching something just a few days ago on Facebook. Gosh, I need to quit watching Facebook. No one posts anything good on Facebook. And it just, every one of them, UPS, FedEx, all of them was just tossing them, kicking them, throwing. I mean, it was just shameful. Very well boxed. Oh. And guys, this is really, emotionally, I had both of these as a kid, and like I said, I only got to play with them for like 2 or 3 years. And then, like I said, I had the famous talk with my dad. You're too old for toys. When I was about probably 11, 12 years old, going on 13. And the next thing I know, my toys start disappearing. So I should have, if I had a clue what was really going on, I would have hit all of them before that. So, got to be gentle. This is, very old toys. You got to be gentle with them. Alright guys, I'm going to take it off camera here and get it out of the plastic so I'll do a better reveal here. Alright, I just got to be careful with it. Man. Alright guys, 1980 vintage Clash of the Titans Pegasus. That's right, guys. Wings intact, the tail's intact. Normally this is broken off. Yet on eBay, there's one on eBay right now, tail broken off, nearly twice as much as what these guys gave it to me. And then the owner gave me a great deal on it even after. It's like, oh, totally thank you. Like I said, I've been looking for one of these. Man, I can't wait just to polish him up a little bit, but man, it looks sweet. Oh, I'm telling you guys, you need to find stores like Transporters. I'm telling you, these little shops, man, they got the hidden treasures, man. Anyway, what's Pegasus without? I had an extra. I got like 3 Perseises. And like I said, God, it's been so long since I set one of these on here. Boom. There you go. And I've yet to get a complete Perseus. I cannot find the shield and the sword for any reasonable price. But luckily I've been able to bootleg a shield. I made my own version of it. It looks really nice, but I like to have a real nice sword. So much better. I've waited so long. This has been roughly 1980, so what is it? It is 30 years I've been waiting to set Perseus back on Pegasus. Man, I'm actually going to make a small little diorama, get him his sword and his shield, put it up there, and it's going to be displayed just like the Death Star. When I'm sitting at my art desk, the Death Star is actually going to be like within touching distance. That's how close it's going to be to my art desk, because I want to be able just to cut my eye, boom, see it. And I want this right there where I can just look up or something and see it just up there looking down. Man, because guys, I know it sounds crazy, but it is toys like these. When I'm sitting at my art desk and I'm designing a toy, these things, boom, gives me the inspiration. It brings me the memories back when I was a kid. And all those feelings I had as a kid when I opened these up at Christmas and stuff like that. That's the feeling I try to bring to our art table when I'm doing these sculpts and everything. When I was making the bantha, man, the whole time I was making the bantha, I was just constantly remembering back as a kid being out in the yard in the big sand pit, had the Jawas, the Tusken Raiders out in the Stormtroopers, the Land Speeder, just having a damn ball, man. They're just having a blast. So, and that's why I get these things, because when they're up on my shelf, man, the inspiration, because sometimes, man, when you're at the art desk, it's hell, pure hell, guys. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning, like, boom. Then you look up and you see a piece like this, you can't help but just get fired up and just make one heck of a toy. So, guys, hope you guys enjoy this. I'm the Toy Smuggler, Pegasus. Ha ha ha.